Hello friends, welcome back. For any teaching exam, teaching methods and their originators are very important, and I hope in your DDO exam as well these teaching methods or their originators can be asked. So today I will be telling you some of the important teaching methods as well as their originators. So the first one is inductive and deductive method, which was originated by एरिस्टोटल, जिसे हम आगमन और निगमन विधि के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Next one is question answer method, which was developed by Socrates, and this is called प्रश्नोत्तर विधि in Hindi. नेक्स्ट जो हमारा मेथड है दैट इज़ ह्यूरिस्टिक मेथड, एंड दिस मेथड वाज डेवलप्ड बाय एडवर्ड आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग. द टर्म ह्यूरिस्टिक मीन्स टू डिस्कवर. द नेक्स्ट important method you need to remember is brainstorming method developed by Alex Osborne. The next method is Darton method, which is also called laboratory method and was developed by Helen Parkhurst. This is the most important method and is called project method, developed by William Herd Kilpatrick. This is used for history teaching. सर्च मेथड और called खोज विधि in Hindi was developed by J.S. Brunner. Unit method was developed by H.C. Morrison and is also very important and modern method of teaching. Next, by the picture you can understand I am going to talk about kindergarten method developed by Frederick Froebel. The next one is Montessori method, which was developed by Dr. Maria Montessori, and she believed that education should be given in a natural process. The basic method or the बुनियादी शिक्षण was given by मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी. Problem solving method or समस्या समाधान विधि was given by Socrates. The next important method is tourism method and is used in history teaching, was developed by Pestalozzi, who is known as the father of educational psychology, father of pedagogy and father of modern education. The last method is Braille method and was developed by Louis Braille.